that enables us to share our data. Data means you already know. To share our data or message, information from one computer to another computer. Now I'm asking another question to you. Okay, Vardhan, tell me. Without communication media, computer networking is possible?
No.
Okay, thank you very much. Now I'm asking the same question. He said, no sir, we can't think about networking. We can't think about computer networking without communication media. It means without communication media, computer networking is not possible. Computer network, you already know. A group of computers connected together for sharing the data or information resources from one system to another. Yes. Can you tell me? Now I am again asking Pushpadeep. Okay, can you tell me why computer networking is not possible without communication media?
Because communication media enables the user to transfer data from one location to another.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. He said communication media enables to transfer the data from one system to another. It is used to connect the devices together. Yes or no? Communication media, we use communication media to connect the devices together. Yes? Okay, same. The medium that enables to transmit the data from one system to another is called what? Communication media. And another name of, you already know, either what? Wired or wireless. Another name of transmission media is what? Communication media is what? Transmission media. Or sometimes we can say transmission channel. What? Transmission channel. Same. If the question comes in the examination, what is communication media? What is communication channel? What is transmission media? What is transmission channel? Same answer you have to supply. Have you understood, all of you? Now next. How many types of communication media are there? Two types of communication media. Wired and wireless. Wired and wireless. Now, you stand up. Devasri. Wired is also called which media? Another name of wired media is? Guided media. Not unbounded. Bounded media. Okay, thank you very much. I have also written. It enables data communication via cable or wire. Everybody knows this is wired media, then it enables the data communication using which medium? Then wire, cable, you have to connect cable. Yes or no? Sometimes we can connect our computer in a network. Using what? Ethernet cable. Yes. And using wireless also we can connect our computer in a network, our devices in a network. We will also discuss the example. So that it is also called guided media. It is guided. It can be guided. It is bounded. It has boundary. It is bounded media. What? Bounded media. And here you can see it enables data communication, but without the use of what? Wire. The signal travels in the air. In which media? Wireless media. Understood or not? It is not guided. It is unguided. It is not bounded. It is unbounded media. In wireless media, the signal travels in. It travels in air. Yes or no? So that here is a lack of security in wireless media. Here is a lack of security. But in wired media, you can see here I have already written. Somewhere I have already written. It is regarded as safe or secure means of communication. Which is known as safe or secure means of communication. Wired. Because the data does not travel in air. So that I have also written here. Okay, next point. The data transmission rate is faster. Data transmission rate is what? Faster. Another, here data transmission rate is what? Slower. Another, it is regarded as safe or secure means of communication, but it is not very much safe or secure. Which is not very much. If you are using Wi-Fi, if you are using wireless medium, then there is the chance of what? There is the chance of hacking. If you are using Wi-Fi, if you are using wireless media, then there is also the chance of hacking, cracking. But if you are using wired media, then you are using secure means of communication. Because the data signal does not travel in air. End-to-end communication. What? End-to-end communication. Which enables end-to-end communication? Wired. Suppose you are sending the data. Suppose 4 computers are connected together and you are sending the data to D number computer, E number computer or C number computer. Then the data will be transmitted directly to the C number computer or D number computer. Signal will not travel in air. So that here is a safe, secure communication. Have you understood or not? Any confusion? Now next number. It is mainly suitable for end-to-end line communication. I already said end-to-end communication. Next, it is mainly used for broadcasting. Do you know what is the meaning of broadcast? Who can say? In star topology, I have already said in star topology, there is one main central component, the hub. Hub is the central component in the star topology. A hub, what does hub do? Hub broadcasts the data. Suppose there are 5 computers connected in a network. How many computers? Suppose there are 5 computers connected in a network and computer A is transferring the data to computer, suppose B. Very big bill. Okay, computer A is transferring the data to computer B. Then listen to me, your data will be transmitted to B only? No, broadcasting means what? The signal will be, the data will be available for all the users who are connected in a network. That is called broadcast. Broadcast means if the data is available for each and every client, each and every users, then it is known as what? Broadcast. Which cast? Broadcasting. Have you understood? Have you understood or not, all of you? But here broadcasting is not. Here what type of communication? End to end. But here broadcasting. Next number. Various connectors are needed. If you are using wire, then you need connector or not. Suppose you are using twisted pair cable. Then you need RJ45 cable for computer networking. For telephone networking also there is RJ11. Connector, this is the name of the connector. If you are using twisted pair cable, there is the connector, coaxial cable, these are the name of the cables. Twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optics cable. If you are using different types of cable wire, you have to use what? Connector. Like twisted pair cable, which connector? RJ45 connector. Coaxial cable, which connector? BNC connector. Understood or not? But for this you don't need connector, you need another type of devices. You need receiver, you need antenna. Previously people were using also antenna. Yes or no? When there was no tower, like there is the tower of like Ansel in Lahan, but previously there was no tower in the village, then what the people were doing? Have you heard this name antenna or not? People were using antenna. Understood? I will show you next day, I will show you the video also, I will show you the picture also. Okay? Next day I will show you everything visually. How communication was possible. Now next number, examples. You can see Wi-Fi, hotspot, another Bluetooth, infrared, satellite, radio wave, microwave. These all are the examples of what? These all are the examples of wireless media. Have you understood? Next day we will discuss one by one. We have to read about, I will also tell you what is twisted pair cable, how many types of twisted pair cable, what do you mean by shielded twisted pair, what is unshielded twisted pair cable, STP, UTP, then coaxial cable, fiber optics cable, then after that we will also discuss about Wi-Fi, WiMAX, hotspot, Bluetooth, satellite communication, radio wave, microwave, infrared. One by one we will discuss tomorrow. Have you understood all of any confusion? Do you have any question? Now let me ask one question to you and after that I will go. Now I have to ask a question to Durlab. Stand up. Give me the examples of any 3 wireless media.
Wireless. It is like that.
Satellite, Bluetooth,
satellites, microwave,
microwave,
infrared.
infrared. Very good. Thank you very much. Sit down. Okay, now I want to ask Rosni. Give me the examples of